Hello viewers, today's video topic is gift offers. What are they and how can we display them on our product page? That's what we'll see in today's video. A gift offer is, for example, if you want to give your users a gift offer, like if a user shops for 2000 and you offer them a product for free, that product will be given to them for free if they shop for $2000. So for that, first you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. You will see the WooCommerce tab in the sidebar. You need to go to WooCommerce. In WooCommerce, you have the option called Merchant Spend and Get a Gift Offer. You need to enable this. After enabling it, you can specify which product you want to offer as a gift. We have selected the poplin shirt dress and we will set our threshold to $2000 because if someone shops for $2000, we will gift them this product for free. Now, we have completed these settings. You have to remember that this gift offer or whatever we set up will basically be shown and visible on the product detail page. Go to the product page, refresh the page, and check whether the gift offer is appearing here or not. You can see that we added the gift offer, but it is not being displayed on this page. So for that, you need to edit this page with Elementor. Now, why do we need to edit with Elementor? We need to edit with Elementor so that we can add a widget or a hook on top of it, which will help us display the offers we have set up. As soon as our page opens in Elementor for editing, we will paste a widget onto it. You can see that our product detail page has now been opened for editing in Elementor. So in the sidebar, we will search for a widget called Do Action. We will place it here on the page. After that, in the sidebar, we have settings where we will select custom action instead of predefined actions. After that, we will select before single product. You need to remember that we have initialized the before single product hook in the code, which will be responsible for displaying discount offers at the top of the detail page. We will save our settings. After saving the settings, we will go back, refresh our detail page and check whether the discount offers are being displayed here or not. Now, if you look, you can see two icons in the right sidebar. If you hover over them, you will see pop-ups. This is our discount offer where we said that if you shop for a certain amount, we will give you a certain percentage discount. The second option is where we said that if you shop for 2000, we will give you this product for free. So now what do we need to do? Now we need to add products to our cart and the minimum amount in the cart should be 2000 in order to avail the offer. Let's suppose we have this product. We select it and choose multiple quantities of it. Now we will add it to the cart. You can see that after we clicked add to cart, our total amount is coming to 8,490 because we already had some products added before. So we'll go to the view cart page. Right now we are on the cart page and this is our total amount, that is 8,490. Out of that, the spend and get a gift offer has been applied because we have exceeded 2000. So we have received one product for free. Which product is that? We have this product, the poplin shirt dress. Its price is $450. So the discount we got on one product has been applied and the remaining amount we have to pay comes to 5,493. Now, this spend and save discount gift offer that you're talking about is already a part of our other video as well. But if you go to the WordPress dashboard in the merchant section, we've also set up this offer. If you shop for 3000 or more or make a purchase of 3000, you'll get a 30% discount on that. If you turn off this option, then you'll see that only the offer you set for spend 2000 and get a gift will be available. So now our total amount is $8,490, out of which we've received a discount of $450. The remaining amount we have to pay is 8,040 rupees. So I hope you've developed an understanding of what a gift offer is and how we can display it on our page. Here, you need to remember one more thing. Whenever you want to apply a gift offer or avail a gift, the product that is mentioned as the gift must be added to your cart. I hope you have developed a proper understanding now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.